Hi everyone, it's me, Carolyn Scott Hamilton, the Healthy Voyager, and welcome to the Healthy Voyager's Global Kitchen. Today we are making chocolate mousse, but it's not like your grandma's chocolate mousse. It is avocado chocolate mousse with a little bit of mint. So I know you're probably thinking, ugh, chocolate and avocado? You're not gonna taste the avocado, but it's good for you and it makes it super creamy without using dairy. All plant-based, all the time. Super easy, this is what you're gonna need. 2 to 3 avocados. We're gonna peel them and pit them and toss them in the blender. 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a 1/3 cup of agave nectar, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, that's gonna bring out the flavors in the cocoa, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, about a 1/2 teaspoon of mint extract flavoring. You definitely don't wanna go over that because it's very strong. About a 1/2 cup of water, and then you're gonna have some garnish of mint and sliced strawberries. All right, let's get going. It's so easy, you can have your dessert ready in just a few minutes flat. First, we're just gonna chop the avocado. Well, not really chop it, just slice it. Because you don't wanna do this ahead of time because you don't want it to get it all brown, although it's gonna be brown soon with the cocoa powder, but you know what I'm saying. Just gonna scoop it out right into the blender. Everything you see here outside of the garnish is going right into the blender. So we're gonna just use, for today's purposes, 2 of these guys. We're gonna save the 3rd one in case we want to add a little creaminess, but I think we're gonna be good to go with just these 2. Now we're gonna add everything else in. We're gonna start with the liquids because we want the blender to get all the liquids at the bottom so that it blends more quickly and it doesn't jam up. So I'm gonna put the water in. Then we're gonna add in the agave, make it nice and sweet. Then we're gonna toss in our cocoa powder. Shake that sea salt around. Perfect. And sometimes you can add espresso, instant coffee, will also bring out the flavors in the cocoa. For those of you who don't like coffee, don't do it. And then we're gonna put in the vanilla extract and this super potent mint extract. And that is it. We are good to go. Ready, set, blend. All right, we are done. Everything's all nice and creamy and nice moussey texture. And all we gotta do is dish it up and enjoy. Get a nice little serving bowl. Dish up as much as you like. Nice serving for one. That whole blender. It's all mine. All right, just put some strawberries on it. Get a little pretty. Put a little sprig of mint. And there you go. You've got your avocado chocolate mint mousse, perfect for the holidays or any time of year, and especially for those people who want to add a little more fruit and veggies to their diet. You can have avocado and it's dessert. So if you like this recipe, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And if there's anything you want me to make, veganize something that you grew up with or something that you miss eating, let us know here at the Healthy Voyager. See you next time on the Healthy Voyager's Global Kitchen. Bye.
Hi, I'm Dan Vega, and thank you for watching our channel. I want to take a second to tell you about a resource that's helping thousands of people across the country, Blue University. Blue University is the premier online business school for entrepreneurs and business leaders. You know, if you find yourself in a day-to-day grind where you've lost your joy or you're just tired of struggling, then check out blue.university. That's BLU.university. I can promise that you receive nothing short of a multi-million-dollar education. And if you want a completely different life in 3 to 6 months and a way to create wealth in 5 years or less, then again, check it out. That's BLU.university. Find out why blue is the new color of success. Also, make sure to subscribe to this channel or to give us a good rating, but that's only if you see value. And when you do receive value, make sure to share it with someone else. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.